Hi guys, welcome to this Python course, and in this video I'll start with the logical operator. The last video we have seen, we have watched and enjoyed about the comparison operator. It was really interesting. So similarly, we'll continue with the logical operator, and trust me, this will not become more. All right. So in operators, after arithmetic operator, the logical operator is very simple, and let me try to complete as soon as possible. All right. So let me start. As usual, we'll print the statement. So the statement is will write like engine temperature. Okay, we'll give like check for engine coolant temperature. All right. So let me give the input as temperature. The variable I'll create temperature. It's an integer. Let me give as an input. This input is will write a statement like send current engine temperature. All right. uh, yeah, so as we have open double parenthesis, let me close with the double. All right, then let me print. See here, I have to observe it's not like the usual one whatever we have seen. So here I'm printing, what I'm printing is the temperature is, if the temperature is greater than 80, and is an operator. All right, it's a logical operator, logical and temperature is lesser than 150. If these two conditions satisfies, what will happen is, sorry, yeah, that these two conditions satisfies, what will happen? It will give you true. All right. So here the logic is you have to give the input as some temperature. Maybe in system level, in automotive, you'll get this as a can input. Once this particular is input is within this range, then it will give the flag to true. That means it will enable the block. All right. So now coming to the Python logical operator, if this variable is greater than this value or lesser than this value, then it will give this in output as true. All right. See, let's run this and see. Let me make it to the compact to the screen. Yeah, see, send in so I'm writing send engine current engine temperature. Means send means the can input I said, or you can give write also if you're non-automotive background. So let me give some. See here, the range we have given is 80 to 150. All right, let me give 129. See, it give the output as true. Let me give the range just not, say, for example, 199. See, false. So here the logical operator placed. All right. So this is AND gate. So similarly we'll have the OR gate. All right. So for OR gate, let me, to waste our time, let me write the same kind of thing with different logic. Yeah. Okay. Then we'll not remember. Let me write the statement like print any number. All right. So here the input is print any number, not any number. We'll write like dial number. So here the input will give like fetch the dial number. All right. So the number, if we are written like, so let me give the variable as dial. All right. If dial is greater than 100 or lesser than some some 50. All right. So the number is greater than this and lesser than this, what we can do is we can just give it as emergency number. All right, so emergency number that we are not going to print anything. this logical operator will print. All right, we have written this condition. Let me run this. Save. Okay, save. Yeah, temperature, let me give 33. Okay, false. Okay, then second, print dial number, fetch. So if it is greater than 100 or lesser than 50, we will get true. All right, let me give 48. I'm sorry, let me give 48. See, true. Similarly, we'll try the false condition once again. For the false condition, first is anyhow we have seen. So the second, let me give, it is not lesser than 50 and not greater than, so let me give some 88. See, false we got. All right, so similarly we have a NAND gate and NOR gate. Let me finish very soon. I'll just take this as it is. All right, I'll give the same number. Or not is another one that we have. All right, the not is nothing but the if it is a NAND, it's a combination of not and and. If it is a NOT, it's a combination of not and or. So let me copy, as I said, I'll copy this. What I'll do is I'll just do not here. All right, let me close with the double parenthesis. Again, same not. So I will give the same input and let's see how the output is. All right, first I'll give um, 88. So true. Second, I'll give 88, false. All right, so this has been already discussed, and here we have given not. So if I give again 88, it should come as false. Similarly, if I give again 88, it will come as true. All right, let me check. 88, see, false, because here it is came true and we have included the not gate, so it comes as false again. The second, here it came as false already. If we give, it will come as true. All right, came as true. So I hope you learned about the logical operator. In our next video, we'll try to finish the remaining three operators in a single video or maybe two videos, and after that we'll go to the next concept. So just learn as much as possible, and we'll get back to you in the next video. Until then, bye, take care.